I'm going to give you a simple way to change your posture. And this is so simple, it's almost too easy that most people will overlook it, but it works so well. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years. I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience. So many of us are hunched over computers, hunched over driving cars. Mentally, we're just stressed out and we tend to roll our shoulders forward. This is so simple. So here's what you do. There's a little notch right at the base of your neck, right where the sternum and the collarbones come together. And what I want you to do is I want you to take your finger and place it in that little notch. What you're going to ask you to do is to take a deep breath in and notice what happens to that notch. So when you breathe in, you'll notice that the notch goes up, and then when you let the air out, the notch goes down. Now do this right now. Take the finger, place it on that notch, breathe in super deep as you can, but then when you exhale, do not let that notch drop. So I'm going to let the air out and drop. What this does is it sets up the rib cage, it stimulates your spinal erector muscles to hold yourself up, and suddenly you've got great posture. This is a very simple trick. So you breathe in, and when you let the air out, you don't let it drop. You let it stay right there and just let the air come out of your lungs. You do that a couple times a day, it becomes a habit, and suddenly your posture changes. If you thought this was interesting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, ask in the comments section below, and I'll try to get back to you.